Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to enable JavaScript on the browser in this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here from the home screen, you need to find and select the MBApps. From MBApps, let's choose here browser. And as you can see, from browser, you have to choose the settings icon. Let's choose here the settings, and now you can enable or disable the JavaScript. What it does, JavaScript is a programming language used by almost all modern websites to make them interactive, like animation, maps, or buttons that are changing when you click them. Why you should use it? You should almost always keep this enabled. If you turn this off, most modern websites will look broken or simply won't load at all. So if you have some problems with your websites, let's make sure that you've got enabled the JavaScript. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.